Thank you for checking out this channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Jennifer and Makay. I make educational and inspirational content. So if you don't want to miss any of our uploads, please hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Welcome to 88.8 Success Radio Eskwela Station. A great day to you, kids. I hope you are in a good condition and in a comfortable place as well. This time, we will try a new way of learning through this radio broadcast. This is your science teacher, Jennifer and Makay, and I will go along with you as we study a topic from the most essential learning competency. Describe the different uses of sound, light, heat, and electricity in everyday life. Let us fill the day with a smile as we start our new lesson. Kids, join in our class discussion by listening well, answering the activities prepared for you as you are guided by your parents, guardians, or older brother and sister. Make sure that you stay in a place where you are comfortable and free from any disturbances so that you can hear well over the radio. Are you ready? Then, let's start our lesson. Kindly get your activity sheets, pencils, and get ready to listen and learn. So, today, we are about to determine the different uses of sound, light, heat, and electricity in everyday life. But we will focus to the different uses of heat and electricity. Before we start our new lesson for today, may I ask what are the different uses of sound and light? Sound helps us to hear or detect objects like, for example, a ringing telephone, horn, animal sounds, and a friend's voice. On the other hand, light is used in order for us to see the beautiful things around us. It helps us to bring life also to the different kinds of living things. So now, let us start the discussion about the different uses of heat and electricity. So what is heat? Heat is a form of energy. It is the result of continuous motion of small particles that compose all matter. Therefore, heat is important because some animals depend on the heat from the sun to keep their body warm. These animals bath themselves in the sun to warm themselves. This heat enables their body to function normally. Another thing is that plants need heat from the sun to live and grow. Seeds only start to grow when there is warmth from the sun. So, people, plants, and animals need heat to survive. We also use it in cooking food, drying our clothes, even our hair, and a lot of more. In industries, heat is used to melt, cut, and shape plastic and metal. It is also used to dry paint and cement for construction. Is heat important? Yes, of course. Before we proceed to the different uses of electricity, let us first answer the learning activity sheet about heat. We will now start with the learning activity sheet or last about heat. Okay, so this is the direction. Put a heart on the blank if the statement is true about heat and put an X if it is not. Number 1. People, plants, and animals need heat in order to survive. Number 2. Our home appliances use heat in order to work. Number 3. You can feel heat but you cannot see it. Number 4. We use heat to cook food. Number 5. Heat is a form of energy. It is very important in our daily lives. Are you done, children? Okay, let's check your answers. For number 1, the answer is heart. Number 2, the answer is heart. For number 3, the answer is heart. Number 4, the answer is heart. And for number 5, the answer is heart. I am hoping that all your answers are correct. If not, it will be just fine. We still have another activity for today that is all about electricity. Now, let us discuss the different uses of electricity. Then, what is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy. Many of the inventions of technology make use of electricity. So, is it important? Of course, just like heat. So, here are the different uses of electricity. People use electricity for lighting, heating, cooling, and refrigeration for operating appliances, computers, televisions, machineries, and public transportation systems. Modern life has become very dependent on electricity. Without electricity, most of the things that we use every day would not simply work. Electricity is important too, right? Yes, absolutely. So now, let's move on to the activity about the different uses of electricity. Prepare your learning activity sheet and pencils. Let me read the direction. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences about the uses of electricity. The words in the box are the following: cook, move, sound, entertainment, and boil. Now, here are the sentences. Number 1, electricity is used in an electric stove to blank food. Number 2, electricity is used in an electric kettle to blank water. Number 3, electricity is used in a toy car to make it blank. Number 4. Electricity is used in a television to give us blank. And for number 5, electricity is used in radio to make blank. Okay, so let's check your work. For number 1, the correct answer is cook. Electricity is used in an electric stove to cook food. Number 2, the answer is boil. Electricity is used in an electric kettle to boil water. Number 3 is move. Electricity is used in a toy car to make it move. Next, entertainment. Electricity is used in a television to give us entertainment. And for number 5, the correct answer is sound. Electricity is used in radio to make sound. I am hoping that all your answers are correct. If not, it will be just fine. So as long as you try your best in our activity, okay, keep your activity sheet and make sure that you will send that to me when your parents or guardians return it to school. So it's so nice to be with you today all throughout our discussion. I hope that you understood the different uses of heat and electricity. You can visit our YouTube channel for the recorded broadcast. Once again, this is your science teacher, Jennifer and Makay. Stay safe and God bless you all.